In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a personal portfolio WordPress website using Elementor. We'll start from the very beginning by getting a domain name and web hosting. This is the foundation of your website because the domain is your web address and the hosting is where your site lives online. When choosing these, try to pick something simple, professional, and easy to remember, especially for a portfolio site where first impressions matter. Once that's ready, the next step is to install WordPress. Most hosting providers make this very easy with a one-click setup. WordPress gives you the content management system you need to build and manage your site without coding everything from scratch, which makes it perfect for portfolio websites. After logging into your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and then Themes. This is where you control the overall design base of your site. From there, search for the official Hello Elementor theme and activate it. This theme is lightweight and built specifically to work smoothly with Elementor, so it gives you a clean starting point without unnecessary styling getting in the way. Next, head over to Plugins, click Add New, search for Elementor, and install it. Elementor is the page builder we'll use to create the actual portfolio layout visually. It makes designing pages much easier because you can drag, drop, and customize sections in real time. While you're in the plugins area, deactivate and delete any pre-installed placeholder plugins that you don't need. This helps keep your website cleaner, lighter, and easier to manage. Fewer unnecessary plugins can also improve performance and reduce clutter in your dashboard. Now it's time to choose your layout strategy. You can either use template kits for a faster setup or do a custom build if you want more control over the design. Template kits are great if you want a polished starting point, while a custom build is ideal if you want your portfolio to feel more unique and personal. From there, build the essential sections of your portfolio. Start with a hero banner that clearly introduces who you are and what you do. Add an About Me section so visitors can quickly understand your background and style. Then create a project grid to showcase your work in an organized visual format. Include services and pricing if you offer freelance or client work, and finish with a contact form so people can easily reach out. After the content is in place, configure your navigation and responsiveness. Make sure visitors can move through the site easily, and check that everything looks good on desktop, tablet, and mobile. A portfolio should be easy to browse on any device. Once everything looks the way you want, go ahead and publish your website. At that point, your personal portfolio is live and ready to share.